All right, so they dropped some new Big U paperwork yesterday, or maybe this morning. Yesterday, I just logged on and I seen it, so I was like, "Oh shit!" So pretty much, this is his lawyers. I think. Let's kick it off from the top. This is the. So usually this is who sends it. So I think this is the assistant DA or attorney DA, whatever they call it. Here's the violent and organized crime section. Here's their address and phone number if you feel like you've been extorted by anybody. That's my public service announcement. All right, so United States of America versus Eugene Henley Jr. This is proposed order continuing trial date and findings regarding excludable time periods pursuant to Speedy Trial Act. The proposed trial, 5/4/26. That's like a year from now. So that dude's going to be sitting in MDC just chilling, waiting to go to trial. Maybe they need that much time to get their case ready. I'm not sure. The court has read and considered the stipulation regarding requests for continuance of trial, excludable time periods pursuant to Speedy Trial Act, filed by parties in the matter of May 2nd, 2025. So I think they're asking for it to be continued. And they said they provide good cause and findings excludable time pursuant to the Speedy Trial Act because pretty much if you wanted to do speedy, everybody has the right to a speedy trial. And that means you busted me as the DA or the assistant DA, like they have in this case, you got to be ready to take me to trial if I want to go to trial ASAP. So that means if you're going to bust me, you better have all your shit in order and ready to do this because you can't bust me and then just keep putting off trial. Like, I have the right to a speedy trial if you want to arrest me and charge me with this stuff. But then at the same time, if you need time to fight your case and get all your shit ready because you weren't ready for this, you can waive your speedy trial and then put it off and go to court later. So the court further finds, it's pretty much just saying they agree and they find it. Failure to grant the continuance would unreasonably deny an offendant continuity of counsel and would deny counsel the reasonable time necessary for effective preparation, taking into account the exercise of due diligence. The trial of this matter is continued from May 19th, 2025 to May 4th, 2026. So that's crazy. He was supposed to go to trial in what's the day? The second or the third? What's the day? Yeah, the third. So he's supposed to go to trial in 16 days. Just kind of the same with Brick. Like they put Bricks over to, I think, October, I think. But it makes sense. He got to get all his ducks in a row and then, you got to find out what they got on you and then how you're going to argue that in your trial. So the time period of May 19th to May 4th, 2026, inclusive, is excluded in computing the time within which the trial must commence. So it has to happen in that time because the other defendants on the case, Robinson Martin, however you say that name, and Blanton and Hines, shall appear in courtroom 6B on the federal courthouse, 350 West 1st Street, Los Angeles, May 4th, 2026 at 8:30 a.m. So they're probably waiting to go to trial after Big U goes to trial. Because say Big U beats his case, all these people probably get thrown out too, or at least they have better action. Now, if Big U loses his case, all these people are probably in the blender too. Or they're doing that to be like, they'll probably pull back up a couple more times and be like, you ready to talk to us? If you're ready to talk to us, we could squash this. But they got all kinds of games they're playing, I bet. So pretty much that's it. It was just a couple pages. You noticed the judge didn't sign it. It's not dated, so I don't know if this is a proposal or if this is actually being done. I'm not really sure, but with it came attached these, and these are all like very weird. But I think this is his lawyer. I didn't see this lawyer's name on anything, but he's pretty much saying, I don't even know what the hell these are. It's like his other cases with other people. Like, look at this one. This is crazy, dude. Attempted sexual. I don't even know if I could say those words. Like, what a piece of shit. This guy needs to lock him up, throw away the key. And this is from 2017. Like, what the hell, dude? All these people have like some weird ass charges. Like this assault to commit sex crime during burglary. Like, what a fucking weirdo, bro. Like a piece of shit. Like, and this is like, I wonder if this is like your lawyer. Does he specialize in this? Because right here it says attorney for Eugene Henley case. Da 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 da. So I really don't know what this is. Maybe I should ask Chat GPT. Let's actually do that. Maybe I can just put that into Chat GPT The document uploaded is a trial list filing for case It's submitted on May 2nd, 2025 by attorney Arturo Hernandez on behalf of Eugene Henley. It includes details about 3 separate upcoming criminal trials, not directly related to Henley's own charges, but possibly referenced in relation to his case or scheduling. Here's a breakdown of what's inside. I really don't care. I already know what's inside. This was listed like it filed as a scheduling notice or reference for trial coordination. If interested in Eugene Henley's case specifically, this document doesn't describe his charge, but suggests he's represented by Hernandez in federal court under case da-da-da-da-da. All right, so yeah, it's pretty much what I thought it was. These are just his lawyer saying I'm busy on these times, but these ones don't really have any dates. Maybe down here. Oh, 7, 28, 25, 8 a.m. Jury time estimated 9 days, 6 days. So, yeah, this attorney be representing some fucking weirdos, though. I'll tell you that, bro. What the fuck, man? Like, this is just some weird ass shit, bro. I don't even, like, how would you even, like, be a lawyer for these dudes, man? Like, you come to me with a case like that, bro, like, go get a public defender, someone that can't tell you no. Like, I'm not gonna walk in there and fucking try to stand up for you with these charges. Fucking weirdos, man. Fucking creep. And these are the last page. I think maybe these dates are already set or something. But yeah, these are just all like that first one. This one right here, they uploaded. And these were like the supporting files that they uploaded. Bunch of worthless shit, pretty much. Oh, and then we got this last one over here, too. This is pretty much just, yeah, it's like more, it's like, why do you have 3 different schedules? What a trippy ass lawyer. But it's pretty much saying where he has all these court cases at. Let's look. Conspiracy to commit wire fraud, driving under the influence, alcohol. That's, oh, I bet you these are state cases. So that's probably why. Those other ones are maybe federal. This guy right here, though, out of San Fernando, theft of utility service over 400. Probably dumbasses growing weed, stealing power. Or if you're stealing power to run power to your house, it's kind of stupid. You got to use something to get away with it. But now they got those green box on the corner, and they're just able to narrow it down. Like back in the day, yeah, you could steal power, get away with it for a while. Now it's like, oh, this block, someone's pretty much using free power, and then they just go chip away and find out. There ain't no future in stealing power, dude. They're going to come bust your ass, and then they can put like a lien on your house. Bro, I've heard some crazy shit over the years. Yeah, so pretty much this is the lawyer saying what his cases are and when he's free. I don't know. I don't even know if I'll put this video out, dude. Should I? Does it really make sense? Do you guys want to hear about this? Maybe I'll go through and cut it up and make it way shorter. All right. With that, drop your 2 cents in the comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like. Later.